about to do a little R&B joint because that's just how we do. Like, we like the R&B. So,
Right.
What'd he say?
Right.
He said. That's what I thought he said. We got Jordan. He's getting his, he's getting the keys ready. We're about to give you guys a little nasty track. Tell us how you like it. Give us a little feedback. Here we go. Drop that. Chicken wing. Why? Because we love them. I love. I love them. We love them chicken wings. Oh yeah. We got the mild, we got the medium, we got the high. Hey. Yo, start it. Let's go. Ooh. We love them chicken wings. They like to do their thing. The way they dip them in their sauce. We can eat them, oh we lost. A lot of chickens in my face. They love to just race into my mouth. They so juicy with that love we need. We love that damn chicken wang. Hey, what kind of chicken wings you like, dog?
Both.
Woo! What kind of chicken wings do you like?
Both.
He don't talk, he just damn it. Woo! He likes Snake Guys from G.I. Joe. He don't talk, he just speaks that flow. Speak. Just kidding. I meant to say, he just flows on the track. His beats are nasty, he speaks with that. We love them chicken wings. We love them chicken wings. I love them chicken wings. We love chicken wings. 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 Why do we love them chicken wings? Because we are black. Chicken wings. Do you need a napkin for your chicken wings? I need a napkin for my chicken wings. We need what? We need what? I don't like to lick my finger. They just taste so dang good. I love them in my hood. We talking about Cali and Cash Burn. We do love them to death. They make it when they left. I love them. I need them. You love them. Chicken wings. Chicken wings. Yo, cut it. That actually sounded like